Welcome. This short video will be a quick overview on how to register for an upcoming fair, schedule your meeting times and availability, search for potential applicants, and finally, attend the fair. Prior to submitting your registration for the event, you'll need to create a Handshake account. To do this, you'll visit fordham.joinhandshake.com and you'll be prompted to log in at the login window. If you don't have an account, navigate over to the top right that says No Account, Sign Up Here. From there, you'll access the account window. Be sure to select Are you an employer? Sign up here. This window will take you through all the stages to sign up as an employer. Please note that your account will need to be approved before you are able to access the Handshake system. After your account has been approved, you will have access to the Handshake dashboard to register for an upcoming event. Take a look at your homepage and select the event that you wish to attend. Simply click Register. You can then specify the options in which you wish to participate. Everything from what type of organization you are to some background about your company, what you're hiring for, and much, much more. After you completed the registration, you'll be directed to a confirmation page. Here, you can review all the information you just inputted into the system, including the total number of representatives. What you should be aware of is that the fair registrant will be the only one to set the schedule for all of the attending representatives. So if this should be someone else in your organization, please contact our office and let us know so that we can change that for you. Once your fair registration is approved, you will receive an email notification. From there, log back into your account, access the fair that you registered for, and select Add Schedule. The schedule portion is the biggest part of the fair for representatives. This is where you and your teammates will be able to add two different options, group sessions and one-on-one sessions, to meet and engage with students. Please note that registration allows for a maximum of 100 representatives, all of which need to have active Handshake accounts. So be sure that your team that is attending the fair has Handshake accounts. This will enable them to be able to launch the video sessions for the event. So to add your sessions, it's very simple. Select Add Sessions and add in your team members. And select how your organization plans to meet with students. Will you be doing a group session? Group sessions are 30-minute group meetings. The maximum amount of group sessions for employers to have is 12. Another great feature is you can use the built-in Handshake video system, or you can use your own. Be sure to specify which one is your preference, and please note that the Handshake video session is a 50-person limit at one time. Add in all of your information for your session here, and then select your time slots. So as you can see, you just create a group session in the drop-down menu and add as many of them as you see fit. Then you will hit Confirm. Be sure to assign your team members that will be a part of the session. Another thing to note is that all of your representatives, along with having Handshake accounts, need to claim their schedules, meaning they will need to log in prior to the event in order for their session to be active. Once they are assigned, select Assign Team. Then you will be prompted for one-on-one sessions. Now this option is just one-on-one sessions using the Handshake video platform. Only these meetings are 10 minutes long, where employers will set preferences ahead of time regarding the qualities in which they're seeking from applicants. You can qualify students based on their GPA, work authorization, major group, and graduation year. Don't forget to assign your representatives. After completing and confirming your schedule, you'll be taken back to your sessions page. You will see your sessions here under the Schedule section. You can always go back and manage them, create more, or assign different people. Prior to the event, it is in your best interest to search for qualified candidates. To find qualified candidates and students of interest ahead of time, use the Handshake search functionality. On the left side of your screen, select Search Students. And be sure to type in Fordham University under School. Although Handshake accounts are pretty universal at this point, you are attending a Fordham virtual fair. Now you can break it down. If you're currently searching for juniors and sophomores that major in global business, because you have an internship program, you can filter by those qualifications. So now you search. Once your search parameters are set, you'll be able to access student profiles. So click on the student of interest and take a quick look at their profile. If this is a student that seems like a good match for you, send them a message, and you can do that on the right-hand side of your screen. And lastly, attend the event. We are looking forward to your attendance at our upcoming virtual fair. Prior to the event, we recommend logging in early to ensure your technology is in working order and that you're all good to go. We will have staff members on hand to assist you if you need any help prior to the launch of the fair and during event activities. An important tip during the fair is keeping track of participants you want to follow up with at a later time. So again, you can go back to search students, and you can either type in their name or look them up based on qualifications. Select their profile, and then you can add in a note. If this is a great intern candidate, that's something that you can add and save on their profile. You can reference this later. You can also use the labels function. So if this is a wonderful intern prospect, you can use that label and add it to their profile. This will allow you to go back later using this label and follow up with them. We look forward to your attendance at the upcoming fair. If you need any additional information from us, please visit our website at fordham.edu/career services or email us at fordhamfutures@fordham.edu.